Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlink Google Play account from PES. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So this is how you can unlink your eFootball from Google Play. Now this is going to be very basic because it only takes a few steps. First, open up your Google Play application and make sure it's updated to latest version available. Here, at the bottom, there's Home, Library, and Profile. Tap on Profile, and then you're going to want to go to the top right and tap on the three dots. Once you do, tap on Settings. And then you're going to want to scroll down at the bottom until you find your data. So under this, you will see Clear Local Search History, Review Hidden Games, Change Account for Games, and Delete Play Games Account and Data. You're going to want to tap on Delete Play Games and Data, and you will see these two sections. Delete Play Games account and all data permanently. Delete your Google Play Games account for individual games. This action might also delete your scores, progress, and settings in games that you've played. So, you can tap on this Permanently Delete button. If you want to permanently delete every single data from all of your games. But if you don't want to do that, and all you want to do is just unlink eFootball. So you're going to want to choose the eFootball game, as I don't have eFootball game, but I will show you the steps exactly for another game. For example, this one, simply click on Delete, and it pop-ups with warning that you will lose all of your progress. Just go ahead, click on Delete permanently, and that's it. Once you do that, you're going to want to go back to eFootball. Tap on Extras, tap on User Information. This is where you can configure your personal information, and then tap on Link Data. This is where your linked data is going to be at. This is what it's going to look like. Data, link status, Google Play linked, Konami ID linked. You're going to want to tap on View, Link Data there at the bottom. And once you do, it's going to show you this, Unlink Data. You're going to want to tap on that so that you can unlink your data and you will be finally free. So that's basically how you can unlink Google Play account from PES. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.